welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey. Okay guys, so for this episode
Baby, kita nak masak apa ni?
we have Imar. Yes, again and again we're gonna have
Korang
Imar.
bosan dengan
I will be bored. Anyway, so for this episode for this episode we will be doing Cekodok Pisang. It's our first time and also Ima pun suka dessert, right?
Yes, I love
so kita orang nak buat dessert lah.
But
So
this is your favourite, sir?
yeah, it's my favorite too. Okay, jom.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it. So as you guys know, benda yang kita ada, we have plantain, we have baking powder.
Okay.
Kita ada pisang yang dah ripe. Kita got salt, kita ada tepung gandum atau tepung goreng pisang, tepung beras dan juga gula. So let's get started.
Cooking.
Okay guys, so for the first step, take the bananas.
Oh, peel je lah dulu.
Peel the bananas.
You masak, apa masak? Dia kena pisang, kena masak betul-betul guys.
Yeah. So we can just like macam like the rice and
Smells so good, sayang.
Yeah.
Kan? Baru peel banana smells so good.
So it's my first time, so jangan kecam. I tak pernah buat cekodok. Tapi since kita ada banyak masa, alhamdulillah, syukur, not complaining.
Yeah. Tapi Ainaa guys, kalau korang nak tahu, every time dia try first recipe pun selalu tak tahu macam mana magic dia boleh jadi macam dia dah tahu macam power. So
really?
tak tahu apa nak percaya. So every time she does everything first time, selalu jadi terus.
Yay! So hopefully this one jadi juga.
Yeah, lucky just runs. So we have to smash this.
Smash it. Oh.
Pisang. Smash it. I think we smash guna tangan dulu, baby.
No, betul sayang. It has to be like that. I'm going to help you.
Oh yeah. I see.
Yeah, you see?
Lord.
Come, I help you.
By the way guys, if I look slicky, this is me in Aremo. Please don't judge.
Dia tak mandi pun sayang.
Itulah pasal. Respect to those yang tak mandi. Macam mana boleh
Oh my god,
spread the virus.
You wanna show? Yeah, so that's how it's going to look like. Okay dah. Okay, so now we have, kita dah lenyitkan. It's beautiful. It's looking beautiful. Beautiful. So kita nak buka tepung ni dan juga tepung ini. So letak kat sini lah. Nampak je, let me just throw this some tepung. Okay, I tak pernah tahu, but I'm assuming I budget we can put around 1 sudu, 2 sudu, 3 sudu. You think 3 is okay, sir?
3 looks alright. Kalau tak cukup, tambah lah kan?
Okay, yeah, betul.
Yeah.
That's right.
Agak-agak buat kata Gordon Ramsay dengan our Malaysian chef.
Agak-agak.
Yes.
Agak-agak jemput-jemput.
Aduh.
Nama dia jemput-jemput tu. Jemput agak-agak.
Jemput agak-agak lah.
Satu mix dengan rice punya tepung juga. Sebab ada some recipe yang mix, some tak. So I'm just gonna mix it.
Bi, sedap punya powder. Anam suka benda manis lah.
Because we are extra like that. So nampak. So kita akan go.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna use the plastic one because it's more ringan.
Yeah, use the plastic one guys. Look, it's better.
Yeah.
We only do the trial and error for you guys.
So gaul dia bagi sebati sampai you rasa it's balanced. Ni macam kurang, nampak tak? So while Ima is doing this, I'm gonna put some sugar. Tadi patutnya kena letak before. Sorry. Tengok tak korang nak manis mana. So Ima suka manis, I'm just gonna put 2 because saya tak suka manis. Normally orang tak 3. So patutnya kena letak masa tadi tengah mash banana tu, but it's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's all good in the hood.
It's all good in the hood. Kita orang dah panaskan minyak kat sana. And minyak dia kena letak lebih sikit lah, macam banyak sikit. Bila you jemput dia masuk ke dalam kuali tu, dia tak apa, macam dia terus ni lah, kembang.
Dia terus kembang and dia terus become one shape.
Baking soda powder lupa. Tak payah banyak sangat orang kata. I think that's enough. Kita orang bantai je ni guys.
Yeah, this is the agak-agak.
Kita orang just share dengan korang, tak perlu pun try. Nanti kalau sedap baru try lah. Okay, garam sikit kan. Alright.
Bit more tepung?
Bit more tepung. Oh, now you can agak-agak already. Apa lagu Cekodok Pisang?
Cekodok.
Tak. Cekodok pisang, cekodok pisang, cekodok pisang sepetang. Pisang apa, pisang apa, pisang apa sepetang.
Oh, untuk pekatkan lagi kena ni lah, kau banyak? Kap. Oh, tu lebih lah, start dah.
Dia pekat lah.
Kap.
Yeah. Yes. Shake it, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. Yeah. Okay. Lagi. Okay.
Guys, it's the moment of truth. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Okay, come on, Mike. You can do it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Stick one.
Jangan banyak
Spoonful.
sangat.
Okay, not big. Dia ikut cekodok korang, korang kecil-kecil pun boleh je. So, kecil. Okay, like that.
So, minyak pun jangan panas sangat.
Jangan panas sangat.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay.
Okay.
Take another one. Okay, try. Kena letak banyak penuh kan. T-shape tu dia akan jadi sendiri. Okay, so we're gonna show you guys after this bila dah masak. Okay. Okay, how's it looking, baby?
I don't know, I hope it looks good.
Wow, look at that color. It's so nice.
Yeah, I think the key is also the heat. Tak nak heat dia kuat
dia tak
sangat.
boleh panas sangat.
Yeah.
Okay, put some more.
Put some more.
Yes.
So take this one. Take this one.
Oh, the pro.
Very
Mama is a
pretty.
pro. Nice. Can't wait to try it.
A few moments later.
Look at that. Okay, guys, look at that. Wow. The color is nice, so
And it's
hopefully-
chunky, just like we like it.
Chunky Cekodok Pisang is done.
One step more and now we're far from everything we had. Ready for whatever's lying up ahead.
Guys, so this is our first attempt buat Cekodok Pisang. So
Yes.
I think let's try.
Let's try it, sayang.
Let's try it, baby.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It's good. It's good.
The taste is so good. Very crunchy and very chunky.
So, ni dalam dia. It's actually good, sayang. Feel it. So, guys, bear in mind, make sure you use tepung gandum, okay? Tepung gandum dia akan buat lagi lembut kat dalam. And then, tepung beras kalau nak guna, kalau tak ada option lain, you guys kena add yeast so dia tak keras sangat. Okay? Yes, as actually perfect.
Ini sudah gila. Good luck trying at home, guys.
First time jadi. So, all the best. Aduh.
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 Ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't